ever noticed how some people walk into a room and instantly command attention, while others fade into the background, almost invisible? They don't beg to be liked, yet people lean in when they speak. What's their secret? It's not wealth, looks, or intelligence. It's something deeper. Something you've been ignoring. Today, we'll uncover the hidden power of respect. Why chasing approval makes you weak, and how to take back control of your life. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why some people are treated like leaders, and how you can become one of them. Here's a hard truth. The more you try to be liked, the less people actually like you. Why? Because approval has a smell, and desperation is easy to sense. When you smile at insults, people don't admire you. They learn they can disrespect you for free. When you say yes while your heart screams no, you're training the world to use you. When you stay silent while being crossed, you give away your power. Being liked is not strength. It's weakness, disguised as kindness. Respect will protect you. Approval will enslave you. The choice is yours. Approval feels like a drug. One compliment, one pat on the back, and your brain lights up. But just like a drug, the high fades fast. Suddenly, you're craving more. And people who sense this need start to use it against you. They know a little praise can make you bend over backward. They know flattery will make you forgive what should never be forgiven. This is not kindness. This is control. Every time you chase approval, you hand over the remote control of your emotions to someone else. Respect works differently. Respect is built on consequence. People respect you when they know your time, energy, and attention have value. When someone crosses you and nothing happens, they learn that disrespect is free. But when they feel a consequence, they learn quickly that disrespect comes at a cost. Respect isn't about being feared like a tyrant. It's about being taken seriously because your boundaries are non-negotiable. When you carry yourself with self-respect, the world has no choice but to mirror it back to you. Approval. The difference between those who are respected and those who are ignored comes down to one thing: boundaries. People who command respect don't explain their standards, they enforce them. They don't argue about why respect matters. They demonstrate it. Think about the strict teacher who shaped your life, or the boss who never tolerated excuses. You may not have liked them, but you respected them. Why? Because they had rules, and those rules meant something. Boundaries are your invisible armor. When your boundaries are clear, respect follows naturally. Here are 6 rules that separate people who are respected from those who are ignored. Rule number 1, speak less, act more. Rule number 2, never chase approval. Rule number 3, stay calm under attack. Rule number 4, stay unpredictable. Rule number 5, enforce boundaries swiftly. Rule number 6, use scarcity. When you live by these rules, respect stops being a demand and becomes a natural response. When you stop chasing approval and start commanding respect, everything changes. relationships shift. The fake ones vanish, and the real ones grow stronger. Your confidence stops depending on others' validation. Opportunities find you instead of you chasing them. Stress falls away because you're no longer managing everyone else's emotions. Most importantly, you become free. Free from the exhausting cycle of needing to be liked. Free to be authentic. Free to live with strength. The world is full of people begging to be liked, but it is starving for people who command respect. You now hold the choice. Will you keep giving your power away? Or will you claim the respect that's been waiting for you all along? Respect isn't asked for, it's commanded. And it starts with one decision today. Drop this final affirmation in the comments. Respect is my birthright. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button. Share it with someone who needs this truth. And subscribe for more real power, not sugar-coated lies.